So, you're using Spcaesphip, and maybe you've uploaded some files, created a few projects, and now you're wondering, what happens to all of that information? How long does it stick around? This is a really important question, not just for Spcaesphip, but for any service you use. Understanding a company's data retention policy is a key part of digital privacy. It's about knowing what happens to your data when you stop using a service, or when you simply want something deleted. Spcaesphip's data retention policy is pretty straightforward. They'll keep your backed up data for as long as your account is active and paid for. Think of it like a subscription service. As long as you're a paying customer, your data is there for you to access and restore. But what if you decide to cancel your account? This is where a lot of people have questions. If your Spcaesphip account expires, or if you remove a user license, they don't just immediately delete everything. They give you a 30-day grace period. During that time, your data is still retained, and you can potentially get it back if you change your mind. After those 30 days, however, the data is purged. It's no longer recoverable. This is a crucial point to remember. If you're a business or an individual with critical information backed up, you need to be aware of this 30-day window after your account becomes inactive. One other thing to be mindful of is the possibility of email retention policies. Some organizations have their own rules for how long emails should be kept, and Spcaesphip can offer a policy that aligns with those needs. This is a specific feature for certain account types, allowing for automatic deletion of older emails to meet compliance requirements. In a nutshell, Spcaesphip retains your data as long as your account is active. Once it's not, you have 30 days before that data is permanently deleted. This kind of policy is designed to balance user convenience by giving you time to reactivate your account with the need for responsible data management and security. Always check the specific terms and conditions for any service you use, because while this is a general overview, the details matter.